How secure is your digital life? Ever considered that you might be a target of cyber threats? In this digital age, the risk of cyber threats is ever increasing. It's like walking on a tightrope above a sea of invisible predators, waiting for one false step. The key to staying safe: awareness and preparedness. We can't avoid the digital world, but we can certainly equip ourselves to navigate it securely. In this video, we will walk you through some effective steps to protect yourself from these invisible threats. Before we dive into the solutions, it's crucial to understand what we're up against. We are in a digital battleground, facing off against cyber threats that come in various forms. Let's shed some light on these shadowy figures. First, there's malware, a malicious software designed to damage or gain unauthorized access to systems. It's the equivalent of a digital burglar sneaking into your computer without you even knowing. Then we've got phishing, a deceptive maneuver that tricks you into revealing sensitive information under the guise of a trusted entity. Imagine a wolf in sheep's clothing, only it's an email pretending to be your bank. Next is ransomware, a digital hostage taker which locks you out of your files until a ransom is paid. Lastly, social engineering, the art of manipulating people into divulging confidential information. It's the cyber equivalent of a con artist. Now that we understand the threats, we can better prepare ourselves to counter them. Securing your digital life does not require you to be a tech wizard. It's all about adopting the right habits. In the next 2 minutes, we're going to delve into some simple yet effective steps that you can take to shield yourself from the invisible threats lurking in the digital realm. First and foremost, let's talk about passwords. They're like the keys to your digital home. And just as you wouldn't use the same key for your house, car, and safety deposit box, you shouldn't use the same password for different online accounts. Create strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Consider using a reputable password manager to help you manage them all. Next, two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This is a second layer of security that requires not only a password and username, but also something that only the user has on them, like a piece of information or a physical device. Enabling 2FA on your online accounts significantly reduces the odds of the bad guys gaining access to your personal information. Regularly updating your software is another crucial habit. Software updates often contain patches for security vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit, so don't ignore those update notifications. They're your friends. Now, on to being cautious of suspicious emails and links. Cyber criminals often use these to trick you into revealing sensitive information or installing malware on your device. If something seems off, trust your gut. Don't click on it. Lastly, make a habit of backing up your data regularly. In the unfortunate event that a cyber attack compromises your device, having a backup means you won't lose all your precious information. Remember, consistency is key. These habits need to become part of your everyday routine. By taking these steps, you're not only protecting yourself, but also contributing to a safer digital world for us all. While these steps can significantly reduce your risk, continuous learning is your best defense. Just like technology itself, cyber threats are constantly evolving, rendering yesterday's defenses obsolete. It's a high-stakes game of cat and mouse, where the cheese at stake is your sensitive data. Now, more than ever, it's crucial to stay updated on the latest threats and preventive measures. It's not just about reading articles or attending seminars. It's about fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness within your organization and your personal life. Remember, every member of your team, every user of your network, is a potential point of entry for cyber threats. Regularly educating everyone involved is not just a good idea, it's a necessity. Encourage curiosity, promote vigilance, and reward those who take the initiative in this ongoing battle. In this digital age, ignorance isn't bliss, it's a liability, so arm yourself with knowledge. In the fight against cyber threats, knowledge truly is power. In the digital age, cybersecurity is no longer optional, it's a necessity. We've delved into the invisible threats lurking online, understood various cyber threats, and explored how to implement robust cybersecurity measures. Remember, awareness is your first line of defense and preparation, your strongest weapon. Cultivating consistent, secure habits and committing to continuous learning are pivotal in this dynamic landscape. Secure your digital life today, because the threat is real and it's closer than you think.